This is Don Shellingoski, and I'm from Springfield, Missouri, and I'm talking about LeafFilter as I found it through looking on a computer. So I looked it up and checked to see how it was listed with the Better Buying business, and it was ranked as #1. And so then I called the salesman. He came out and we had to put on. I didn't get to try him out for probably about a month and a half because it didn't rain. But after we did have a very large rain about 2 weeks ago, and I checked every direction from the house, and they worked just fine. I had no run over at all. So very satisfied as of now. Okay, then also I was very pleased with the installer. He came out and worked even during the rain and put them on, and he was done within probably about 6 hours. I was amazed at how fast he could have it done. He also added a downspout for me and put it just where I wanted. I was very pleased with all the people that I've worked with LeafFilter. I would recommend them on.